This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000 watt transmitting power authorized under station license number BSD-0356-2022 REN. Issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2025. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandang Sora, Quezon City. GMA engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, professional electronics engineer number 897. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, professional electronics engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, electronics engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, electronics engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, electronics engineer number 47499. J. Raul C. Arellano, electronics engineer number 49545. Jonathan G. Salvo, electronics engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, electronics engineer number 59014. Louis O. Shapenko, electronics engineer number 15586. Ralph T. Palma, electronics engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., professional electronics engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, electronics engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, electronics engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordovez, electronics engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilog, electronics engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, electronics engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logronio Jr., electronics engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., electronics engineer number 19182. RVP Carriaga, electronics technician number 603. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Manuel B. Relion, 99-1PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminante, 95-1PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 52 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV48 Ilocos Sur, TV7 Abra, TV7 Tuguegarao, TV13 Apari, TV5 Mountain Province, TV7 Isabela, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV44 Halahala Rizal, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV6 Brooks Point Palawan, TV8 Coron Palawan, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV13 Catanduanes, TV2 Sorsogon, TV8 Daet, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Borongan, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Ormoc, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV13 Bacolod, TV30 Murcia Negros Occidental, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV5 Dumaguete, TV10 Sipalay, Mindanao, TV35 Cagayan de Oro, TV12 Bukidnon, TV4 Dipolog, TV5 Ozamis, TV3 Pagadian, TV11 Iligan, TV26 Butuan, TV10 Surigao, TV2 Tandag, TV5 Davao, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Cotabato, TV12 Holo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing off.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan. Mga katangiang humuhubog sa ating pagkatao at sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mag-ibig, sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa higit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyagan ang mag-ibig, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatang tulong sa simoy at sa langit ng wagaw, ay hinagang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng wagaw at muling tagumpay na nag-iibig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may mag-iibig, luman ang araw ng maraming pagsinta, buhay ng isang himo, ang hindi kaya naman may hanapin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Oras ng pagsasara ngayon ay 12:29 AM. Good night everyone and happy Mother's Day to you all.